they used to work back in the day जब तुम्हारे पास technologies था नहीं वहाँ पे and you are basically
No, tell me this as someone with AI, okay? There is a one guy with AI.
हाँ
There is another guy with AI as well as formulas एकदम completely absorbed.
हाँ.
And there is the third guy who does not have AI but formulas absorbed. And they have to do some kind of mathematical problem solving. Who would be in your idea, who would be the one that would win?
I would say the person who has both AI and memorization, and I'll also put a
I
point
think that
there.
was easier than if you just
That was
take out
easier.
that if you just take out that guy, someone with AI with normal
See,
with your level of mathematics
let me do a
skills.
comparison,
Yeah.
fair comparison. Someone who has internalized and memorized,
Yeah.
and someone who has not internalized and memorized but has notes or probably AI, uses AI.
Yeah.
ठीक है?
Notes. Yeah. Notes.
ठीक है? In this situation, no. And internalized, let's also predefine that for this particular situation, is internalized as in memorized every single formula and everything.
And knows where to apply where.
And knows what to apply where. But I would say conceptually, they both are equal, I'd say. Like, agar aisa situation draw, but only then it is challenging to choose, right? Then I would 100% go for the one who has not internalized it but using tools. You know why?
Why?
Because the chance of him messing up a formula is much lesser. Because he will look it up from a document. And it is very... The point what I'm telling you here, no, is that obviously there's a benefit of you remembering all the to-do list and maybe you remembering the formulas क्योंकि तुमको देखना नहीं पड़ रहा है.
Yeah.
But even doctors when they give medicine, they will have a guidebook जिसको देख के वो लोग
Yeah. They Google up. Yeah.
They will Google up and they will do it. Doesn't mean कि उनको doctors पता नहीं है. Doesn't mean कि they have not done the education. They have done the education. Do you know why they're doing it? Because the risk of it up is so high.
Yeah.
No, those situations the risk is so high that you do whatever the fuck it takes. जाके documents देखो, you Google करो, AI use करो, but you do it correctly.
Yeah.
It doesn't matter whether you have internalized it or not. Right? I've told this time and time again. I have not taken a single DSA or course
और वो जो competitive coding
मैं कभी try भी नहीं किया. I'm not even interested in doing it.
Yeah.
मेरे को कुछ code नहीं करना वहाँ पे because and I never felt कि my lack of knowledge there has been a roadblock to me in basically building anything. I
So
never felt
what
it.
do DSA guys actually do though? Like for
It's,
someone like me, I don't know क्या कर रहे हो, क्या सीखते हैं वो लोग?
DSMA is basically like you have a problem and that problem you have to solve it with code. It's
Like
a
what kind of a
problem.
problem? Like if they're doing it कहीं काम आ रहा होगा ना, मतलब वैसे problems real world में नहीं आते क्या, या फिर आते हैं?
नहीं आते. They do appear, but they do appear whenever you are building something